Hey guys, Coach Pillowfist here, and I got Jose with me here. Now Jose struggles with his left hook, alright? There's just something that I don't like about his left hook, so we're just gonna spend this video trying to correct that left hook. So Jose is gonna throw the left hook on here, just like that. Alright, now do this angle. Alright, now throw a shadow box into the camera. Alright, now one thing that I'm already seeing with Jose's footwork is that when he throws his left hook, so throw it, is that rear foot keeps dragging back as he throws it, right? So there's no weight transfer going into his punch, so therefore it's diminishing his power. So what I want him to do is to not drag his rear foot, but instead to transfer his weight to that rear foot, so that rear foot shouldn't be moving at all when he throws that left hook. So throw it. Good, that's better. Again. That's better. Eso. Good. One more time from this angle. Right here. Eso. There we go. Throw it again, shadow box into the camera. Alright, so stop right there. Now one thing that I already noticed about Jose is that his feet are too aligned. When you guys are throwing the hook, it's better when when your rear foot is more out to the side, like that, alright? Not aligned like this. So now throw the left hook from there. Alright, then he's able to have more balance and better weight transfer as he throws that left hook. So throw it on here. There we go. Remember, don't drag that foot back. So now I want you to go slower, and I want you to exaggerate the movement of sitting onto that left hook. Kind of like spread your feet out a little more than usual. So what I want you to do is go slow. And go slow, turn, and then, now what I want you to do is go slow, and then as you hit that left hook, kind of exaggerate your head to move over to the rear hand side, like that. Alright, and transferring your weight to the rear foot. So slowly. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Eso. Yeah, there we go. Again from here. Alright. There we go. Now I'm feeling it. There we go. There we go. Alright. Like that. Alright. So now you guys saw the before footage. Alright, this is after. There we go. There we go. There we go. Alright, and keep your hands up. You throw the hook. Alright, and he's got his hand up, or just move his head. Alright, again. Alright, good. 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 Alright, now obviously we made some technical corrections to his left hook, but he's got to keep practicing and practicing and practicing. He's not going to get it down in just one day, or especially within this 15 minutes that we were practicing. Alright, but thank you guys for tuning into the video. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.